guys, you know if I did the cheat, so today right there says Ninja, I don't know why it says that, so so I will be teaching you guys some stuff, I guess. So remember a few days ago I showed you, I don't know if I already uploaded or not. I showed you this mansion right here. Right there. I don't know if I showed you that, but yeah. But today I will be exploding this water tower. I think it's called the water tower. I'm going to be exploding it. So yeah, let's get onto the video right now. But all I was afraid of, I think it's going to break my house. But it's probably far away. Not far away, but it's probably not going to do anything. So yeah, we're good. So let's get on to the loading. So first, we're just gonna tea, and then we're just gonna wanna get some. Where's the igniter? Or what is it called again? The flint and steel or whatever. Now we're just gonna wanna express about. Okay, now I'm just gonna read before. I don't wanna. Oh, did not affect my house, did it? It did it. Wait. Oh no, it didn't really affect anything. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, and check out Jesse Vergara. I can never do his last name. It's kind of hard. I don't know how to pronounce it. So Jesse Vergara, his videos are pretty cool. I don't know how he edits them, but he actually does it awesomely. So stay tuned for his video. That I don't know how his YouTube channel works. So yeah, bye. Oh yeah, I haven't pressed the